Welcome to What Gear Reviews. Today I am unboxing the titanium jet black online exclusive color of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now I did get to see all of the colors in San Jose and also all of the original colors here in King's Cross, and originally my favorite color of all was the titanium silver blue. This is so nice. The only problem with this is I do believe the majority of people are going to go for this particular color. So if you're looking for something a bit different, then this right here might be exactly what you're looking for, because this is, in my opinion, the best online exclusive color. And check this out, to make this video a little more interesting, I do have a product here from a YouTuber who's probably opened more tech products than anyone else on YouTube. And of course, I am talking about Lou from Unboxed Therapy. So here I have the Latercase. It literally just arrived the other day. So it's going to be interesting to see how therapeutic the unboxing experience is with the Latercase. We'll do that after. First up, let's get this out of the box. So if you guys have yet to order your S25 Ultra or regular S25, I've got some good news for you. There's some exclusive deals you can get directly through Samsung's website, but only if you use a very specific link, which I'll have below this video. So if you use that, you will get some free stuff and exclusive offers on trade-ins and also some Samsung store credit to use. And that's how I managed to get these thrown in for free with the order. So here's the box. It's exactly like the silver blue box, except the color coding is here on the side. Quick start guides and warranty information and USB-C to C cable in the box. And here we have the jet black. And actually now I'm seeing it in good light. It's actually more of a charcoal black on the back, but then the sides are jet black, but the titanium is kind of reflective. So these are my two favorite colors of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I do think I prefer the jet black, but what's interesting though is if this was the online exclusive and this was part of the regular lineup, I do think I would have preferred the silver blue, just based on the fact that less people are likely to have it. And it's quite interesting, the jet black, even though it is black, when the light hits it, it kind of looks like that titanium color, quite similar to the other colors that are out there, and it's almost got a little bit of a blue tint in a way. Here's how the two different frame colors differ. I do really like the black frame. I think one concern people will have about this frame is if it gets scratched, will it show that titanium underneath? I guess only time will tell. If you subscribe and turn on your notifications, I can keep you guys posted on that. Just drop me a comment and I'll keep you updated. The camera modules are identical, no differences there. I wonder if the S Pen is any different. Let's get a look at that. So the S Pen on the silver blue has a baby bluish color to it and a silver button. And interestingly, the S Pen on the jet black is some kind of a beige, almost like a khaki color, and silver button with a black clicky button on the back. And now let's get a look at this Latercase. Now straight away, before I even open it, something I really like about this is the packaging that they've used is also branded and it does look very premium. Gonna need my trusty knife for this one. Okay, so you gotta love this. This is more premium than the box the phone came in. And because the Latercases don't have the magnets built into the case, I did opt to get this as well because I do have a bunch of magnetic accessories, which I still wanna use. So I got the separate mag ring, official name mag lock ring, Willy blue color. All right, let's see how this is presented. And interestingly, even though there's not magnets in the case, there is magnets in the box. And I am now moments away from experiencing the thinnest phone case on the planet. And there's a bit of extra information here as well. So I should probably tell you, this is the midnight color, the blackest of the black when it comes to the phone cases from Latercase. And yeah, it is super thin and super lightweight. All right, let's see how this fits. So we've got a nice cutout here for this entire section with the volume rock and power button. Across the top is exposed, probably for the microphones and the antenna. And then at the base, we have a large section exposed here for your S Pen, speaker grill, USB charging port, and then of course the SIM tray. And the edges all around here are slightly raised higher than the display, so that way if it does hit a surface, most of the impact will be absorbed on these edges. And hopefully you can see that there, the corners are slightly raised up a bit higher than the rest of the edges on the case. And you'll notice there's a raised section around the camera modules as well, so when you're placing your phone flat on a table, the glass on the camera lenses will not be touching the surface. So I really like this type of case, mainly because it doesn't change the shape of the original design too much. It doesn't increase the weight too much, and it really keeps the phone as close to the original design as possible, which is something I appreciate. All right, now let's get a look at this mag lock ring. And there's actually two of them in here. The question is, how do you know where to place it? I guess I'm just gonna have to guess. I don't know if there's some kind of online instructions as to where you should be placing this on the phone case itself, but it would be nice if there was some kind of guide that you could use so you know you've lined it up perfectly with the Qi charging coil inside the phone. So I guess you just got to peel this off, maybe somewhere around here, and it's slightly lopsided. Oh no. To my eye, it looks like it is kind of central, but now I'm looking at it on the monitor screen and it looks like it's a little bit off still. So there we go, that's on there. Now let's try a magnetic accessory. So I've got this really cool kickstand from Peak Design. This thing is awesome for traveling with. It's nice and slim, and it is a bit weighty, but it needs to be because it needs to hold the weight of the phone. Check this out. This just kind of clicks on there and then you can kick out the legs here, like so. Something that I really like about this case is how these corners are nice and rounded, because even though Samsung have changed the design from the S24 and improved the corners, in fact, let me show you the S24. So the S24 Ultra had these kind of squared corners that kind of dig into your palm a little bit. You don't get that so much now with the redesign. The sharp edge has now moved from the corner to the sides here. So when you hold the phone, it's actually not quite as comfortable as the S24 was, with its rounded edges at the side. And this is just my personal opinion. I do wish they kept this kind of rounded edge and then rounded the corner as opposed to making it completely flat like an iPhone. But like I said before, that's why cases like this are a nice addition, not only for protection, but also to increase the comfort and grip on the phone itself. So there we go, guys. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. The original silver blue, which is available in stores and pretty readily online, or do you prefer the exclusive titanium jet black? And like I said in the intro, if you haven't got round to ordering an S25 yet, that's good news, because you can make use of the exclusive discounts using the link below this video. So you can get some free stuff or get some extra store credit or get a little bit more on your trade-in. And if you are going to get one of these, or you just got one, then definitely check out the thumbnail that's on screen right now. That's some of the best new features explained and how to use them. And if you want to see how the camera on this phone compares to the iPhone and the Pixel, check out this blind camera test. It just might be the most unbiased camera comparison on 3 of the most popular phones available right now. I don't tend to make these kind of long form unboxings anymore, but I thought since this is a special edition, why not? Hope you enjoyed it. If you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man, and I will see you in the next one. Don't be late.
Let's go. But inconspicuously. Through the window.